Are you passionate about fashion and craftsmanship? Thinking about starting a shoe manufacturing business in Malaysia? You're in the right place. Malaysia offers the ideal location for your footwear business. With access to affordable labor, modern infrastructure, and a growing regional market, Malaysia is strategically positioned for success. Whether you plan to produce sports shoes, leather footwear, or custom fashion pieces, you'll benefit from a cost-effective manufacturing ecosystem backed by government support. At 3E Accounting Malaysia, we help you start your business the right way. From company incorporation, licensing, tax registration, to legal compliance. You'll need to register a Sendirian Berhad, apply for a business license, and comply with safety and labor regulations. And we'll guide you every step of the way. Looking to export? Malaysia's trade agreements with ASEAN and beyond make it easier to scale globally. With years of industry experience, 3E Accounting Malaysia offers end-to-end solutions to support your business setup, accounting, and expansion. Let us help you turn your dream into a thriving business. Contact 3E Accounting Malaysia today and take the first step in starting your shoe manufacturing business in Malaysia.